Welcome everyone, this is a tutorial on how to set up your competitor settings correctly. If it's a simple case situation, you click here in the quick settings. So for example, if you're shipping a product from the United States and selling in the United States, then you just leave it ebay.com with the American flag right here, then it does the work for you. But now if you're selling in the United States but you're shipping from China, you can change here shipping location and also like the source website from your supplier, correct? So in this case could be AliExpress, and then you apply changes. But now for more detailed settings, you click here advanced settings, and once you do that, you click here competitor research, and then you have all these filters, okay? And then in this case, so we're selling on the United States, correct? And then the shipping location, we can choose China, and then you can choose your store currency. So you can go for US dollars, and then you have the sales date range here. I recommend leaving 30 days, but some sellers use 14 days. You have the period sales, the total sales, and the current price. You can also leave these empty, it's no problem. Now, in another scenario, let's say that you're selling on eBay Australia and you're shipping from China, but you want to see your store currency in Australian dollars. You simply click here like this, and then of course you can change the rest of the filters itself and save it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day.